Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Health Mentor. Today, I'm sharing 8 amazing foods that can help cut LDL cholesterol quickly. Let's dive in. First up, oats. They're packed with soluble fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol. Just one bowl of oatmeal in the morning can make a difference. Next on the list is barley. This whole grain is a fantastic source of soluble fiber, just like oats. You can use it in soups, stews, or even as a base for salads. It not only tastes great, but also helps lower LDL cholesterol. How about a snack? Nuts like almonds and walnuts are perfect for keeping your heart healthy. They contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Just a small handful each day can work wonders. Toss them in your yogurt or enjoy them on their own. Now, let's talk about fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Aim for 2 servings a week. You can grill, bake, or even throw them into a salad. Don't forget about avocados. These creamy fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol. Spread them on toast, toss them in salads, or blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Next up is extra virgin olive oil. This heart-healthy oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Use it in salad dressings or for cooking instead of butter or margarine. Just a couple of tablespoons a day can significantly impact your cholesterol levels. Let's not overlook legumes. Beans, lentils, and peas are all fiber-rich and can help lower LDL cholesterol. They're incredibly versatile. Add them to soups, salads, or even make a delicious bean dip. Finally, we have fruits. Especially berries, apples, and citrus fruits. They're loaded with fiber and antioxidants that can help lower cholesterol. Enjoy them as snacks, in smoothies, or added to your breakfast cereals. So there you have it, 8 foods that can help cut LDL cholesterol quickly. Incorporating these into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your heart health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Health Mentor for more tips, and share your favorite cholesterol-friendly foods in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your heart deserves the best. See you next time.